Hi, I'm Megan, Senior Merchant here at Orvis, and this is the Pack and Go Travel Jacket. We brought back this longtime customer favorite because it's loaded with features to keep you covered for any weather you'll encounter on the road less traveled. Wind and water-resistant fabric keeps you dry and comfortable on rainy days, and it dries quickly too, so it's ready for any forecast. The fabric is also stain-resistant, making mid-trip spot cleaning super easy. When rain or wind isn't an issue, the hood zips away in a hidden collar pocket. And for valuables like your passport, room key, a wallet, or phone, there are easy-to-access interior security pockets. Adjusting the fit is a cinch thanks to the internal drawstring waist. My favorite feature is that the jacket stows into a stuff sack, taking up very little space in your carry-on or suitcase. So if there's only one jacket you can pack on your next travel adventure, make it the Pack and Go.